What's up, guys? This is David here, and I welcome you all to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to get paid by watching ads online. How are we gonna do that? Well, I'm about to show that to you right now. But first, if you are someone who's not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button as I post money-making videos regularly. And once you are subscribed, click on the notification bell as well. In that way, you will be notified whenever I post fresh strategies to make money online. So the first step is to open your mobile phone. The second step is to click on the ads. And the final step, which is step 3, is to make money over and over again. As simple as that. So right now, let me show you the list of people from all over the world who have cashed out their earnings from this website. I know this leaves a question: how much money can you really make by watching ads? Well, for one ad, you can make up to $1.5, which means if you watch 10 ads, you can make up to $15. Watching 20 ads can make you up to $30. And if you watch 50 ads, you can make up to $75. All you need is just your mobile phone or your computer. The method that I will be showing you today is 100% free, so you don't need to invest any money or anything at all. And this is available worldwide. So wherever you are around the world, you can make money with this method. By the way, comment down below and let me know where are you watching this from. I'd love to know more about you guys. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And yes, I will be giving away a lot of Profit 9 tips down the road that can help you earn double the amount compared to other people. So make sure to watch this video until the end and do not skip any part, so that you won't miss out on those important tips. Now, let's get back to the video. All you have to do is come over to this website called scarletclicks.info. This is the site which we will be using today to make money. So here on the top, you can see that they have paid over $2.5 million to over 1 million members all over the world. Now, let's proceed to the sign-up process. So just go ahead and click on this register button at the top right-hand corner. And that will then take you to this page right here where you can register as a member for absolutely free. Now you just have to fill in your full name, date of birth, your username, your password, your email address, and just confirm your email address and your password right here. After that, you can now enter your payment details where you want to receive your earnings. As you can see, you have different payment options to choose from, such as Payeer, Bitcoin, Neteller, Skrill, AirTM, Litecoin, Dash, and Faucet Pay. After choosing your preferred payment method, you can then continue with the image verification right here. So you just have to type in the letters and numbers which are shown here. And then finally, you have to agree to the terms of service. And then just click on register. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I put a lot of time and energy to make, I would really appreciate it if you guys click the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. If we get 100 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. Now let's get back to the video. So once you log into your account, this is how it will look like. You will see a photo with a lot of small boxes. So if you hover your mouse to the lower right side of this photo, which is the last box of this photo, you can see the position. So there are 20 by 28 boxes. That means that there are 560 boxes here in this photo, and one box is equivalent to one ad. So all you have to do is just click on one of these boxes, and then you will make money. In fact, here on the right side, you can see all the people who are making money by clicking these boxes. So what you're going to do is just choose one of these boxes right here. And that will take you to a random page. You just have to stay there for at least 30 seconds in order to get paid. For example, I click on this box right here, and that will take me to this page. I just have to wait for 30 seconds, and that's it. You don't have to do anything at all. Just stay on the page and just wait. You don't even have to click on anything, and you don't even have to sign up. The opportunity is boundless because, as you can see, there are 560 boxes, and you can choose on any box you like. You'll just keep on earning money over and over again. Now, as a bonus tip, sometimes if you click on one of these boxes and a video ad will show up. That's good news because video ads will let you make double. So all you have to do is stay on that page until the video ends, and then you will earn double their regular earnings. Another tip that I'll be teaching you is that sometimes on these pages, there are banner ads that look like this. Now what you're going to do is click on these banner ads, because every time you click on these, you will make extra. So what I mean is keep on clicking ads whenever you find some, because that will make you more money, as simple as that. Let me click on this banner ad right here. And that will lead me to this page where I have to literally do nothing. As I said earlier, you don't have to do anything at all. Now, if you're still watching this part of the video, please leave a comment down below to let me know that you're still watching. Now that you're still here, I will be sharing the final bonus tip that will help you earn more. And that is by referring to other people. So all you have to do is just invite your friends or group of friends and your family here on this website. You can then receive extra money by doing so. As you can see here on the left-hand side, there are direct referrals, rented referrals, rent referrals, and buy referrals. However, you just need to focus on direct referrals only. So people have been earning decent money from this website. And they did that by just referring and watching ads. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how you make money by just watching ads. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you still haven't, and leave the notification bell on, so you don't miss out on any of the new content that I put out. As always, I will see you in my next video.